If you're looking for Amazon wigs, bomb Amazon wigs, then you are in the right place. I am reviewing Amazon wigs. I always do. Make sure to go follow me on TikTok. And I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on this unit that I see on TikTok all the time. This wig is from a company called Z Like Hair. I see people promoting this wig a lot in a different color. So I decided to go ahead and try it. Amazon Prime Day is upon us, so the wig is on sale. But I already had bought it before Prime Day at a really good price, under $150. And there's always a coupon on the unit. This is a 26-inch wig, 150% density, transparent lace, 13x4 frontal. I'm going in and tinting the lace with my Red by Kiss lace tint spray. Make sure you guys go to my Amazon storefront, not just for the wigs, but also for the products that I use. This product, as well as all the other products that I use, will be linked under Wig Essentials. And if you know anything about wigs, like cheaper wigs, they be having a ton of lace on the front. So I had to cut the lace down. But first impressions of the unit, it came out the pack really silky. I didn't know if that was a good thing or a bad thing, but it turned out to be not a bad thing at all. The wig had a good texture to it. It wasn't dry. That's the number one thing that I look for with the curly wig, is if it feels dry even when it is dry. It's something about it. If you wear curly hair, then you know what I'm talking about. But curly hair can feel really good even if it's dry, if it's a good quality. So I felt like it was not a cheap feeling wig. It actually felt really good compared to another wig that I had in the same color. As far as the lace construction goes, I do not like the frontal on this wig. I feel like it's really small on the sides. You guys will see that later on in the video when I try to do the hairstyle that I'm doing. And make sure to stay to the end because I will be showing the entire styling of this wig, baby hairs, everything. The construction of the wig is just small on the sides, and I'm not a fan of the parting space. In the middle, it's fine. It's just the sides of the wig, really. The lace, I'm actually surprised by, considering that it's transparent. It did melt into my skin good. I think it's a thinner type of transparent lace. I am not a fan of transparent lace because I feel like after a couple of days you do see it a little bit when it starts to lift, versus HD can kind of give you that melt longer. But if I'm going to do transparent, then I have to have a thin one, and I feel like this is on the thinner side, so that's also a pro. The only cons about this wig that I really have is the lace space, in my opinion. That's the only thing that I really didn't like. The price is good. The density is bigger than what I thought it was going to be. It's listed as 150, but it's really full. I like big hair, so I did not wet this wig down. If y'all want to see what that looks like, go check it out on TikTok. Plenty of people did that, but I like big hair. I left it brushed out in a fluffy look, and it was really full. I felt like if it was anything more than what it said it was, it would have been too much hair. So this was the perfect amount. I did have to pluck the hairline. I did not bleach or take the color off of this wig because you just never know how the customization process goes when you buy a wig. I did not want the hair to be falling out of my frontal because they bleached the hair and then I went and bleached it again. I just wasn't going for that. So to stay safe, I just pluck it and then I just move on. Plucking the hairline was enough for it to give a good look. You just have to make sure that, you're taking your time and getting all the knots out of the lace. So I went ahead and installed this wig per usual. You guys can watch and see the full install if you want to watch all the way to the end. I'm also styling and doing baby hairs in this video. But I just really wanted to give you guys a good review of this Amazon wig, an honest review of this Amazon wig, because I would hate for you to waste your money. I hate wasting my money. And we need wigs that we know that we can depend on, that are good quality. So I just wanted to drop this Amazon wig gem for you guys. I'm going to overall give it a 7 out of 10 just because I wasn't satisfied with the lace space. But overall, I'm happy with everything else. And as I run through the video and see the install, you guys will be able to kind of clock what I'm saying as far as the pros of this unit. I decided to do the cute little bow trending hairstyle. Y'all tired of the bow hairstyle yet? I think it's so cute, classy, and feminine. So I decided to just go ahead and throw that in there too. So that will be done in this video. And then I did some baby hairs and all that good stuff. So you guys will get to see me from beginning to end, do a full install and styling tutorial. I have not done one of those in so long. If you're looking for some bomb Amazon wigs, some wigs that you can depend on, that are good quality, that have been fact checked, make sure to go to my description box and go click on wigs I recommend, because I have plenty of wigs on there, HD wigs and regular wigs. I've been making these Amazon wig videos for a while, so I have plenty of wigs that I've tried that are in there that I really love. and that aren't worth like wasting your time on. If you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure to go follow me on TikTok. I actually got my old account back. I had an original account that I lost and started a new page. I got my old account back. I did change the name to match all of my socials at Alicia Corinne, the one and only, because there's nobody else with my name. Make sure to go follow me on there. I do Amazon wig reviews, little short form content on there all of the time. It's easier to get those out than to make a full YouTube video sometimes, but I decided to make a little YouTube video for you guys since it is Prime Day today. So make sure to go follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. And
for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, No, I'm a child of God.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't gotta question it, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow, flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question it. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, to change my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all because 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. will sing.